Good day, fellow Camtasia users. I would like to show you how to take a title and make it yours. So first you can see here, this is my library. I'm in the Camtasia 2018 library. I have shrunk those so I don't have to read the words. It gives me more space to play with. And like I said, I want to mess with a intro or a title. So let's grab the one called Corner Circles. It's a good place to start. I'm going to zoom in so I can see better as I break it into pieces. When you hit the plus sign, you get to see what it is built of. So these will be the words there on top, but then there's also an 8-piece shape section. If we're looking at how this is built, you know it goes from the bottom layer to the top. And if we drag across, you can see it goes circle, circle, circle. Well, let's just for fun make it a different shape. So when you click on the first one, you can see right now it is an ellipse. Let's just change it to a star. So then when we drag this across, it comes through as a star. It is a super simple adjustment, but it does look kind of cool. And just do that for each of them. So let's back this up and hit play and see how our new title looks. That was pretty slick, except check out this little piece right here. This last one does not fill the entire screen. As an ellipse it did, but as a star it's just a little bit too small. So all I'm going to do is zoom it out so that it does. Let's watch that go through again. There you can see the stars pop up. Here comes this nifty piece right here where the gray comes in, and then the words where it says TechSmith and Camtasia. I think I want to put this little border down here, so I'm going to just grab it and put it where I want it. And then I'm going to collapse the shapes and I'm going to start working with the words. I'm going to change this one to say HLModTech. I'm going to add "Come Learn With Us" on the top line here. And then I'm going to change this line to www.youtube.com, where you'd have to find the HLModTech channel. Let's see how the whole title looks when we let it all play out. There's our stars. HLModTech with the cool little bar. Come learn with us at youtube.com. I'm pretty pleased with that, but I think I'm going to add a little YouTube logo. I'm going to drop that on top of the title. And then I'm just going to pull it down to the bottom corner, close to that youtube.com. Let's see when it shows up. I want it to show up right when YouTube starts to appear, so I'm going to just drag that across. And then I need it to come in with some flair, so I'm going to just sneak over to the transitions, and I'm going to see what it looks like if it just flips in. Come learn with us, youtube.com, and then poof. I think that's reasonable, but I'm going to tweak this just a little bit. I want that last one to just be a fade out. So I'm just going to change the one. Let's see how that looks. Nice. I am happy with that title. So then I'm going to group this all together to a new group, and then I'm going to add it to my library, and I'm going to call this one Stars, because last time it was called Circles Corner. So this way it'll be Stars Corner. I'm going to put it in my X titles, I call it. That's where I store all my cool titles that I build. And this is going to be HL Corner Stars, and it's for YouTube, because I could make them for different things. So that, my friends, is how you take a title that was given to you and then you adjust it to make it your own. I did not show you how to change fonts and stuff, but those are super cool things and easy to do. You just grab your words and pick the ones that you want. You can pick different colors, have fun with it, make it totally yours. I was just in a mood to build it so that it fit with the color schemes that were built in, so I chose not to do that. I'm going to do Control Z, put it back, and I'm going to call it done. Friends, thanks for watching. If you like this movie, if it helped you out, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click the notification bell. Make sure you check back soon for another episode of Getting Creative with Camtasia.